Honda's Marc Marquez was seen as a title contender for 2020 by many on the MotoGP grid. However, a serious injury to his arm has kept him away from racing so far. Even though he was expected to make an imminent return to racing, Honda have now confirmed that he will be out for at least 2 months. The grid has responded. I'm your host Gino, and today on MotoGP Universe, riders respond to Marquez's announcement. Avincia's Johann Zarco gave his thoughts. It must be pretty difficult to live in this situation for him. In Jerez, after the injury, he immediately came back and he tried, but he could not. And from that moment, he knew that it's gonna be difficult. He then compared it to his own experience. I understood now even more what he has to live through. I got my first operation and it was a mini operation compared to him, but I wanted to go on the bike again to have some feeling, even if it was not maybe the best chance to recover perfectly. Zarco, however, is positive for Marc's future. So it's a sad news, and I think it must be pretty difficult and he will carry this energy. But we know him and he is still young, so when he will come back, he will be strong. Yamaha's Valentino Rossi added his thoughts to this. Over the last few years, we have seen riders recover from injuries in an almost miraculous way. But Marquez tried to get on the bike just 4 days after undergoing surgery for a major fracture. This shows that he is human, that we all are. KTM's Pol Espargaro summed up the situation of a grid without the defending champion. He is the current best rider on the grid, and to be without him here riding, we all cannot see the performance of our bikes at the best level. So for sure, just when we have something like that, we wish the fastest recovery possible and just hope to see him riding on the bike again very soon. Quick look. Pramac Ducati's Jack Miller's gutted for Mir because he was riding really strong. He further added that he tried to follow him for 9 laps, but that was all he had. Unless Mir had tire problems, he had that thing sorted. He also revealed that Oliveira caught him by surprise, that's for certain, as he thought it was between himself and Paul. Honda's Alex Marquez explained that it was not nice to follow Vinales and see him going off the bike. He further revealed that when they arrived in the first corner, he saw some small black parts going out from his bike, and he thought it was pieces of his boot or something. He then saw Vinales jump off the bike completely straight, and that was when he realized it was no brakes and these were like small parts from the front brake. Joan Mir is really angry about the decision at the moment not to penalize Pol Espargaro for violating track limits on the last lap because it's not fair. He further elaborated that when Paul touched the green, he just opens the throttle full and that he is really surprised about race direction and really angry. Pol Espargaro meanwhile feels that he went to the green because they took him there. Suzuki's Alex Rins feels that if Maverick had already known for a few laps that he had run out of brakes and that is why he was raising his hand, it is normal that he would have entered the pits earlier. He also revealed that they are surely going to discuss it at the next meeting of the Safety Commission. LCR Honda's Cal Crutchlow feels that he can't do any more with the package underneath him and that they are going round in circles with it. Ducati's Danilo Petrucci feels that maybe it's the aerodynamics because he exits from the corner a little bit faster but he still loses in the main straight. Ducati has confirmed that Johann Zarco and Francesco Bagnaia will stay in the Ducati family for 2021. And however, it is still not decided which exact teams they will be riding for. So what do you think? Will Marc Marquez be back to his winning ways as soon as he returns? Let me know in the comments below. If you like my content, please consider subscribing. Thank you and catch you on the next one.